What will be done to assist the over 15,000 people in Jamaica who want to work but are unable to because they are the caregivers of ill or disabled relatives at home? It's the question some stakeholders are now asking following the findings of a recent Labour survey. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
400,000 people are currently outside of the labour force in Jamaica. That number includes people who have chosen not to work because they have to stay home and help to care for disabled relatives or sick persons. The discussion around their situation was recently advanced by Capri after a recent study on the labour force.
When we look at the 15,000 who want work and don't fall in any of the other categories that Kelly so wonderfully pointed out to us earlier, they're women. They're mainly women. And they want work, but they are stymied by the care environment, which I think every woman in here understands that and understands the dilemma around that. We hear the baby just now. She's agreeing that it is very difficult for her mother to navigate being at a Capri event, while also, wanting to know about policy and wanting to be able to enhance her life and her career. But obviously, childcare is an issue.
Our new centre has highlighted multiple cases of women facing the situation, unable to join the workforce due to issues which require their undivided attention at home. Stacey Ann Bennett is one such person. She is the mother of a child ailing with cancer.
I try doing if somebody called me to do a little work or do something for them, yes, I'm willing, take care of a local house, not all the time because I'm not really to do a full-time job because I have other siblings and there's no one there to assist me. So I can't get a full-time job right now. It's not like I do not want to.
While not responding to her case specifically, the Minister of Information, Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon, admitted the state has to put in place more policies which help people in those situations. The minister in the meantime explained that the recently announced CARE program was an attempt to help bring more of the 200,000 people who do not want to work into the labour force. The Community Action for Rewarding Engagement CARE initiative was launched earlier this year.
You try things based on conversations with or young people, and they said they don't have the money to go to training. They would love to, but they can't. And then they also said that they have to hustle. They have to do a little hustling all the time. And so I can't hustle and go to school at the same time. And that's why we said, all right, if you fall in this category, we'll pay you a stipend every week so you don't have to hustle. You can actually go to your classes. And this is going to be very interesting. And we're going to have a very robust monitoring and evaluation framework because that's what's key.
Jamaica's latest unemployment rate, according to Statin, stood at 5.4%. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.